This is Voltaire's new toy. What do you think, Voltaire?
See?
Oh, every time.
See?
Yes, let's see what Voltaire has done. He lines up his letters. Can you put him in the spot? Look, there's Maddie. Say Maddie.
H.
H, yeah. Do you see letter V?
Oh no.
Oh no. Go fix it. Show me how you fix it. Look, they're on the floor. You better fix it. We got this for $3 at the consignment sale yesterday. Very good price, I must say. We love Leapfrog. I think you're running out of room, Buster. Voltaire, can you put him in here? Voltaire, can you put one in here? Oh, well, I guess not. Yesterday he lined up all his blocks that we also got at the consignment store according to color. Say hi! Well, we're going to have to flip the camera around. Can you do that mid? I don't think we can do that mid-recording.